Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be making our own steaks for not the ones you cook on the grill, but we're going to make our own steaks for holding down some Halloween decorations. I picked up a real big werewolf and I picked up a witch. And I am sick and tired of the wind blowing things down, and I don't want these to get damaged. So they give you these small little wire things to put in the ground that go in this deep. They're not going to hold it against the wind. So I picked up a couple 10-foot pieces of rebarb. We are going to cut them at 18-inch lengths, and then we're going to heat it and bend over the end to be able to put them into the ground. This is going to be a nice, quick, simple project. And let's get going. Safety number one, because we're going to be using a grinder with a cutoff wheel, metal cutoff wheel, to cut this rebarb. And then we will use the torch to heat them up and bend them over. So let's do this little quick project. So I've marked the rebarb right here. We're going to use the grinder to cut this off. A metal cutoff wheel will make this very quick. Throws a lot of sparks, but we are safe in the shop. And that's it for cutting those off. So we've got two nice 18-inch pieces of rebarb. So now we're going to heat that up with a torch. So let me get the torch out. All right, so we've got our rebarbs. Cut a bunch of them. And what we're going to do is heat this up with some MAP gas and oxygen, and I'll show you that in a second. What I'm going to do is heat it up right in one spot and then bend it with a wrench, and I'll show you how that's done. Are you ready? And these will be some great steaks to hold everything down out in the yard because it continues to blow over. So let's do this, okay? Let's do it. We got some safety glasses on to be safe. We got some gloves on in case we bump into anything. So let's go do it right now. That's the flame right there that we want. That nice little spot right there. That's really going to heat this up. Here we're just going to keep the flame in one spot. And as it starts to get a little orange, I will put the crescent wrench on there and start applying a little bit of pressure. And as it continues to get hotter, the bend will go a lot quicker. And that's all we have to do. Not too bad, and we're all done. That one's done. Now we're going to do the other 10 I cut, and we will be able to have these things hold those Halloween decorations down for good. I'm going to go cool this off in the laundry tub, and then we're going to do the other ones. So thank you. Have a great day. We're going to go put this out on the lawn. All right, so here are our steaks. See the metal part down below right there. And this nice little hook that we made is going to go right over that. So we'll see how this works. We'll set it up. Put this one right in the corner. You don't want him falling over because it is holding up for a nice big dude. We'll go around and see him in here in a second. Here he is again. Hopefully I can get it without the guy doing the blowing across the street. Put the sensors on him now.